As you know, Germany is the hub of automotive companies. Most of the companies here are more or less linked with the automotive industry. And also, since the course offers a wide range of courses, and one can choose different paths in automotive industry. My name is Madhusudan. I'm from Bangalore, India. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science stream from Sambram Institute of Technology. Currently, I'm pursuing my Masters in Automotive Software Engineering in TU Chem. Automotive Software Engineering course is offered in two universities in Germany, but Chemnitz offers Automotive Software Engineering in English. Course is divided into four modules, which majorly involve subjects like automotive software engineering, multi-core programming, image understanding, machine learning, and embedded software, which pretty much covers the basis or the requirements, as you can say, for the automotive industry. The course is divided into 4 semesters, which is standard in any of the universities. The first 2 semesters will usually be the subjects that needs to be completed. Then comes the internship, and then the subsequent master thesis. The one advantage of this course is the course has mandatory internship as part of its curriculum, which is added advantage. So the companies in Germany will offer internship to the ones who are having mandatory internship. I started my masters in 2018 October. What I did is I completed the courses in first 2 semesters, and in the third semester I got internship in Akka Technologies, and currently I'll be starting my master thesis. As you know, Germany is the hub of automotive companies. Most of the companies here are more or less linked with the automotive industry. And also, since the course offers a wide range of courses, and one can choose different paths in automotive industry. There are a lot of vacancies or opportunities, you can say, here in Germany. So if you're a student or an employee who is looking for opportunities in automotive industry in Germany, so I think it is a better chance that you apply your job seeking visa or a study visa. So that's all what I've got. So if you have liked this video, please like, share, and comment. And also, if you have any doubts, please drop in your message in the inbox.